So I'm still trying to make it. I'm trying to make a broken arm cast. I never did it before, so I'm like, oh my gosh, that girl have no experience. Did it before. Here you go. I use to cut it 7 inches. I use my paper cutter. Put it on 7 inches. You like what this? You do. You need this. Paper towels.
You ain't nobody missing you.
Grease. And then into this with this. I'll already do my left. That one half.